Hello everyone and welcome back to Stepford County Railway. Today we're going to be showing you the route between Newry Harbour and Connolly. Our stations along the way will be Newry, Eden Quay, Faraday Road, West Benton, Benton Main Station, Cambridge Street Parkway, Ashland Park and Connolly. Passengers should change at Benton Main Station for other Stepford Connect services, including services to the airport, Leighton, St Helens Bridge and Stepford Central, and also waterline services to Greenslade. Passengers should change at Cambridge Street Parkway for futuristic services to Stepford Airport West and James Street Station. So, now you spent your time here at Newry Harbour, you'll proceed to your first station stop of Newry. Our train that we will be driving for this video is a Class 387. Our unit, if I can get it, is 387036.
Welcome aboard this waterline train to Connolly. The next station is Nuri. This train is now approaching Nuri.
Waterline service to Connolly. Calling at Eden Quay, Faraday Road, West Benton, Cambridge Street Parkway, Ashland Park, and Connolly. This train has 4 coaches.
This is Nuri.
Okay, this is Newry Station. Any passengers for Greenslade and Connolly from this side, you must head to either platform 3 or platform 2A, depending on which platform the train will have access to. By default, terminating trains will always arrive on platform 3. So, let's say you spent your time here at Newry Main Station, which you have done. You'll proceed to your next station stop of Eden Quay, which is somehow said to be one of the least used stations on the waterline.
Welcome aboard this waterline train to Connolly. The next station is Eden Quay. Train is now approaching Eden Quay.
56, waterline service to Connolly. Calling at Faraday Road, West Benton, Cambridge Street Parkway, Ashland Park, and Connolly. This train has 4 coaches.
This is Eden Quay.
This station is Eden Quay. Eden Quay is the only station with a level crossing next to it. And it is actually accessible. To get to the crossing, you will need to walk along here, then walk along those paths over there until you reach that area. And then you'll make yourself over to the crossing. I recommend you don't cross it because we don't know whether or not it will respawn you. So, let's say you spent your time here at Eden Quay, which you have done. You'll proceed to your next station stop of Faraday Road. As you approach the station, you will need to sound the horn due to the fact there's a whistle board there.
Connolly. The next station is Faraday Road.
I suspect this is to let passengers know that a train is coming. Absolutely nothing on the left-hand side, and now is the right, except these bushes.
This train is now approaching Faraday Road.
Waterline service to Connolly. Calling at West Benton, Benton, Cambridge Street Parkway, Ashland Park, and Connolly. This train has 4 coaches.
Okay, I just had to go and put my iPhone on charge because my battery is deteriorating. Okay, now you spent your time here at Faraday Road, you'll proceed to your next station stop of West Benton. You'll see the depot on the right-hand side, which is where
Welcome aboard this
waterline trains going
train
towards
to
Newry
Connolly.
spawn from.
The next station is West Benton.
Please allow priority to oncoming trains. At this point.
This train is now approaching West Benton.
As you heard there, we're now approaching West Benton, which is said to be a good train spotting area.
Waterline service to Connolly. Calling at Benton, Cambridge Street Parkway, Ashland Park, and Connolly. This train has 4 coaches.
Damn it. Try not to overlap the platform, because look how close the signal is to the end of the platform. But never mind, people can still get on and off at this point.
This is West Benton.
So this station is West Benton. The Connect line runs alongside West Benton and the actual waterline itself. Okay, you spent your time here at this station. You'll proceed to your next station stop of Benton main station. Speed limit now is 75 miles an hour. These overhead gantries may before the overheads when the express comes out.
Welcome aboard.
Okay, speed
this
limit is now
waterline train
45.
to Connolly. The next station is Benton.
Main station.
This train is now approaching Benton.
Yes, you will encounter the AWS system because an amber signal is just ahead of us. Whenever you enter Benton main station, you will always encounter amber signals. For some reason, there are green signals on the express lines. No trains are going to come until version 1.1. So by default, here at Benton main station, you will always arrive on platform 1A. Newry bound trains always arrive on platform 2B by default.
Platform 1A for the 1859 waterline service to Connolly.
We are formed of 4 coaches, so we will stop at the
Cambridge
4-car
Street Parkway,
stopper.
Ashland Park, and Connolly. This train has 4 coaches.
A perfect fit.
This is Benton.
Platform 3 is used by water lines that terminate here at Benton from Greenslade. There are two terminating platforms here at Benton. There's platform 3 and platform 5C, but only platform 3 is the only one in use for terminating services. Okay, now you spent your time here at Benton main station. You proceed to your next station stop of Cambridge Street Parkway, one of the Water Line's newest stations, apart from Ashland Park and Connolly.
Welcome aboard this Water Line train to Connolly. The next station is Cambridge Street Parkway.
As of version 1.1, platforms 3 and 4, if I'm correct, I think that's what they're numbered as, will start and serve services to Stepford Airport West and James Street. Platform 3 will be for services to Stepford Airport West and James Street, and platform 4 will be for Newry bound trains. Or they could probably be going to Benton. We do not know yet. There's the line that goes to the airport and all that.
This train is now approaching Cambridge Street Parkway.
Of course, the only platforms in use are only platforms 1 and 2.
19 Water Line service to Connolly. Calling at Ashland Park and Connolly. This train has 4 coaches.
This is Cambridge Street Parkway.
The station is Cambridge Street Parkway. You will see the line diverging off to the right, which will be going to Stepford Airport West and James Street. Okay, now you spent your time here at Cambridge Street Parkway. You'll proceed to your second to last station of Ashland Park, one of the only stations to have staggered platforms. In fact, it's the only station with staggered platforms.
Welcome aboard this Water Line train to Connolly. The next station is Ashland Park.
The way she says Connolly is very boring and sad. It's like she wants to give up on the job. Because she says it like this, Connolly. There we go, there's the line that diverges off to the right.
This train is now approaching Ashland Park.
And yes, we're approaching our second to last station stop, Ashland Park.
Calling at Connolly only. This train has 4 coaches.
There's no stop marker, so we'll pull up to the signal here.
This is Ashland Park.
The station is Ashland Park, the only station to have staggered platforms. And the good thing is, the station has step-free access. Okay, now you've spent your time here at Ashland Park, you'll proceed to your last station stop of Connolly. Connolly station actually reminds me of King's Lynn station because of the station layout.
Welcome aboard this Water Line train to Connolly. The next station is Connolly.
I'm guessing this is the River Ben. This is because we're approaching the terminus.
This train is now approaching Connolly. This train terminates here. All change, please.
Upon arrival at Connolly, you will need to stop anywhere before the buffers. And you need to stop actually at least an inch before the buffers. Because that's what they do in real life. So you need to have a speed of about 5 miles an hour. And stop. This is how you stop before the buffers. We're right here.
This is Connolly. This train terminates here. All change, please.
Okay, that was the journey between Newry, Harbour and Connolly. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. And we shall see you maybe later on. I've decided to split this up into 2 parts. So this is part 1 of day 13. So this is, probably name it day 13A, with the next part being day 13B, because the next part's going to be at RN Link. So I shall see you there.
Platform 1 for the 1912 Waterline service to Newry Harbour. Calling at Ashland Park, Cambridge Street Parkway, Benton, West Benton, Faraday Road, Eden Quay, Nuri, and Newry Harbour. This train has 4 coaches.